You can download the designs you need for gang sheet from freepik.com. Open Photoshop and create a new document. The width of canvas must be 22. Make sure the resolution is at least 300 dpi. Color mode should definitely be CMYK. Import your designs. Place designs in gang sheets. Select the design and adjust its size with Ctrl+T. Duplicate the design by dragging with Ctrl+Alt+left click. Select and merge all layers with Shift. Export the design.